Alright, so we got this a footer item left to make it work. So when they click, we take them to the profile screen. We will show all the links of this user. So let's go to footer, components, nav, footer tabs, find that links, which is here. So what we want to do is when they click, we want to navigate them to profile screen. Alright, so that way we take them to this profile screen. However, we have an issue here because when they click on that link, that time we don't have access to the route params name, because this is accessible only if they click on this user icon in the preview card, right? So otherwise that is not there. So what we can do is we can do some conditional check here on the use effect. So let me just, before I execute this one, I'm going to check the route params ID. So let me put that value in the variable. So route params ID, I'm just going to call it route params ID. Let's put that in the variable. Const params ID equals to route params user ID. Underscore ID. Okay, so if we have that, let me just use a ternary operator here. So if we have route params ID, then we execute this function. Otherwise, actually we are in both situations, we are executing this function, but we just give a different param here. So user ID, we can call that user ID. Oh, sorry, not here. So this function we want to execute here, but we just want this to be different value, right? So let's say we are receiving the ID from ID by the name of user ID. Okay, so that user ID could be request params ID, or it could be the logged in user's ID. So either way, this function doesn't care, it just needs the ID. So we give it the ID, and based on that ID, it will make a request to backend. Okay, now our responsibility here is to give the correct ID. So if we have the route params ID, then we give that params ID. Otherwise, we still executing the same function but with a different ID that will be currently logged in user's ID. Beautiful. So that way we should get the correct information. For example, Ryan, we have Ryan's links 1 2 3 4 5. If another user Jen clicks, Jen has 3 links. Okay, so you saw previously we had error, now we don't have error as well. So when they click here, okay, title, route params name 64. Screens nav. So let me double check that one. 64. Okay, so we can do a small check here. If we have the route params dot name, then we use that. Otherwise, we don't use anything, we just give an empty string. Okay, so this works. We saw that. This works. Now if I click here, it works as well. Beautiful. Alright, so that's perfect. Now we can show the icon here and delete icon here, so that even though we are still using the same profile screen, if they're visiting here, they will be able to see the public profile. If the currently logged in user goes to visit the profile page, then we show the icon here. So before we show the icon, we check if the link is created by the logged in user, if the ID match of the user, this link posted by ID. So if that matches with the logged in user's ID, then we can allow him to delete the links.